Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account settings on your account on Reddit easy and quick. First click on your profile, click settings, and here as you see you will find your account settings. Click on it, and as you see that's it. That's how to find your account settings on your account on Reddit easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.